Actually semenjak Carnival ni dah siap parking dia, the extension, the traffic jam makin teruk. Parking dia aku rasa actually tak cukup lah compared to people who are visiting. Sebenarnya dia ada extension tambahan daripada parking lama ke parking baru. So bila that one siap, jadi bolehlah tambah parking lagi. Jom, that way. Looks like the new Pop Mart baru buka. Tak rasa ni adalah the first one dekat Penang. Tengok betapa ramai ya. Actually aku tak berapa faham lah the hype of purchasing the Labubu kan. It's a random, okay, but I just don't get it. Maybe anak-anak aku pun cik baiklah dia orang tak minta kan. So I'm okay with it. Ni nampak okay.
Labu ni kan? Labu kat ni kan?
Wow, that's 很是华人啊。
Dah warna labu. Okay.
Okay. Baju anak lelaki senang sikit. We are at day 2 of Chinese New Year, and like I said, hari ni kita ada satu lagi makan besar with the bigger family. So sekarang ni the mission is kami kena pergi cari pisang. Currently we found out dekat Salad Atelier ada jual pisang yang halalan Toiba. So kita akan ke sana. Pisang dah tak ada Okay, we are done with pisang. Kejap lagi kita datang ambil. Sekarang ni kita nak pergi ke Paris Bouquet untuk beli kek. Sebab hari ni ada birthday my auntie. Mana Paris Bouquet? Belakang tu. Okay apa? So today we have two mission. Satu nak beli pisang. Another one is kita nak beli cake for my aunt. Sebab kebetulan birthday dia pun is around the corner. So tadi pergi ke Paris Bouquet. Masalahnya the cake is not available. Cuma ada tiramisu. So we think it's not suitable for the kids. So we have two options. Satu lagi bread history. And another one, we might going for the ice cream cake, Baskin Robbins. Cumanya Baskin Robbins, of course lah, kita kena makan cepat-cepat. So, we'll see how.
Do you remember my birthday cakes at Baskin Robbins?
Yeah, I know.
I didn't eat that.
Yeah. Boleh collect some waypoint? Yeah. This one looks nice. Ada bentuk pelik-pelik sikit. Okay, we decided untuk gunakan love potion. Ambil love potion. The lion dancer.
Kalau naik basikal dijaga. Ni sikit je pergi sana tau.
Tak apalah, aku ambil bil. Jalan je lah.
Lama dah tak turun.
Amar kat sini.
Mama dah makan kenyang. Kongsi, kata kat uncle. Oh, tu. What are you doing?
Yo, birthday siapa ni? Oma. Ah,
Dia tangkap ada.
dah tengah record video. Cerita buah ni mana? Kita try tengok.
Ni tak bunyi pun. Manis. Sedap.
Juicy.
Juicy.
Siapa bawa markah? Caca bawa. Oh.
Bapa dengan adik dia dua. Cai dia. Anak ketuin.
Kain. Okay, settle. Hujan pula. Jom.
Dah habis vlog hari ini sampai sini. Jangan lupa, jangan risau, jumpa lagi esok pagi. Dah habis.